this will tell to the world the truth that will set I am true. I will keep the Pathfinder's law. I'll be a servant of God and a friend to men. Pathfinder law is for me to keep the morning watch, do my honest part, care for my body, keep a level life, be courteous and obedient, walk softly in the sanctuary, keep a strong my heart, go with God as parents.
Actually, Pathfinder 3. Let's go to that later on. Let's gather over here first. Okay? One by one, okay?
And but the exploded one, it's epic fail.
Okay, can you open it, Jenny?
Yes.
How about this one?
Remember the pastor said, even if you look like a appendix, it's still good.
It's still good.
Wow!
90%. 90%.
Perfect.
Let's give them a hand.
Yay!
Okay, group
It's a
1, group
vegetarian
picture.
way of ano. Yeah.
Yeah, we want it halfly done. We want it half done. Yeah, medium
Okay.
rare. Medium rare. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah. Okay.
Ah, you have the roasted.
Yeah.
Roasted.
Good.
And this one,
Wala kayong boiled.
grilled dough. Grilled
No
dough.
boiled because we have only have 3 eggs.
Wait,
You're
wait,
taking Mr. Alvin. Good. Fried egg is good. Let us see this.
We don't
Just,
have the mud.
just open it. With, kahit na yung kwan. Like, we just want to see the yellow. Oh, perfect. Okay, the boiled egg. 100% perfect. Boiled egg, perfect. Okay. Roasted egg. Oh, it looks perfect. It looks perfect. Perfect. 100%.
The bread.
The bread.
White egg. This is our boiled egg.
100.
Yung alin?
Fried egg. Fried egg.
Boiled egg.
Fried egg.
Boiled.
Boiled.
Wow, perfect.
Open it.
Open.
According to the one who cooked it. It's okay. Boiled.
Of course.
Oh yeah, it's cool. 95. Okay.
Unfortunately, we missed that. We should
Yeah.
only one egg in the flour. We put 2 so we don't have mud.
Oh,
But this is our bread.
so the egg is here.
The egg is here.
Okay.
For the mud is here.
So that's why. Can we taste?
Yes, it's 2 in 1. 2 in 1.
It's good.
Minus 50 points.
No sugar. No sugar.
No,
We prevent diabetes.
This is the right taste. Ano?
Okay, reporting. Fried egg.
Pathfinder yung egg.
Triangle. Is it a clam?
Yeah.
Is it a shell?
It's a Pathfinder.
Oh, it's the Pathfinder seal. Okay, 100.
Actually, we're going to put sword, but I cannot provide.
Video.
Oh,
I see.
Okay.
The team. Okay, the shape.
okay.
And this one, we are. We intended to do like this so that the bread will cook properly. Because that's why, yeah.
Anti-ants.
It's perfectly brown. And this one, this is the mud.
Okay, let's see.
Open it.
They don't have the boiled egg because they lost their egg.
Actually, we
Or somebody stole
Someone
the
stole the
egg.
egg.
They lost 2 eggs, but they
Two eggs,
saved the
yeah.
triangle.
Okay.
So Alex only has 1 egg.
So guys, we have an incident here. Someone stole someone's
here's
egg.
the mud.
Imagine that, guys. Imagine that.
Here's our mud egg. It's perfectly boiled.
Yeah, according to our
No,
chef, it's not stolen.
Lion. Meow, meow.
Ano pa, may
Parang pusa naman yung master chef.
lugo. Ay, ito pala na Mr. Alex.
Marami silang itlog. This is the one for the
okay,
flour.
From the, okay.
For the flour and for the
Once a great philosopher said, a perfect egg is a running egg. Look at our egg. It's perfect. And I think from
May Bible verse tayo pagkatapos ha.
from group 1 until group this group, I think our bread is I can consider the best. You can't say anything black eh. Yeah.
Someone said appendix.
This one, it exploded a little bit, but it's still okay. It will open.
Can I borrow the stick?
Baka masugatan siya, matalim pa yung
Get everything?
Yeah.
Yan ba matalim?
Wow, perfect.
They are bribing the judge.
But it looks a little bit like an appendix, sorry.
So it's a little bit, it's not bad for appendix though.
But it's still running, right?
This one, the running.
Running.
One more. 1, 2.
Pihira naman ito, hindi naman ko marunong.
Grabe, perfect.
Yeah, okay.
Look at
Okay,
that.
you want to see the yolk?
Oh, I think it's overcooked or what?
Perfect yan.
Kasi look at the outside, it exploded.
No, wait.
Oh, exploded.
Smells like egg.
It smells like
The
egg.
boiled
This
egg,
one is the boiled egg.
Let's see. Ang kumakalog ah.
Wala to. I can put my life on the line with this one.
Egg surprise. Time with a Garmin.
Our lunch, okay. This is our lunch, the bread. Egg surprise. Lily.
Pwede.
Ma'am Ethel is actually preparing this egg since last night. Yeah, moving the...
Hanggang mamaya tayo naman.
No.
Okay.
Ito na po mga giliw. Let's... Ay!
Perfect. Open now, open. But it looks perfect.
It's more than perfect, yeah?
Oh, yeah. Perfect.
And our bread is 110% now. If you look at this, look at that.
Two open in the middle. You see?
Inside.
Cook.
Cook.
Very good.
This one.
Can we taste?
Yes.
Okay, taste here.
Can we?
Yeah.
Taste. Ito mainit-init
But do
pa.
not finish na because I haven't. Lagyan mo nga ng mga uling-uling doon, darling. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow.
That's it. Hindi mo siya kayo.
Ay, siya naman.
Down. Raise your hand like this. Like those who are having a strike up there. And follow after me. May our Heavenly Father, watches over me,
Watches over me.
watches over you,
Watches over you.
till we meet again.
Till we meet again.
Hands down.